Gonzalez. Not Grange.
This watch includes Antonio counties, David, Gonzales, and La Vaca. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch.
Including large hail and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
The EOM's finished up.
The Lagrange.
Okay, well, as soon as we got home, we got an SVA, which I was not aware of, but sweet.
Southwestern Fayette County until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Smithville, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be around 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Schulenburg around 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Floyd, Swiss Alp, Freiburg, Plum, Dubina, Emmonsville, High Hill, Engel, Oakland, and West Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh, there goes the SVR.
Severe thunderstorm warning for South Central DeWitt County until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Cuero, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Thomaston around 9:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Arnickville and Myersville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Your local forecast.
I left my ER 310 in the kitchen.